Hello folks, got a little bit of a mini unboxing today from Redline Diecasts. It is some decals by Milo Customs. So I got all of these. So basically each one's a car for a specific car. Put them in nice one. There we go. That's pole. That's for one. So I've got these. These are all for specific gases, basically, and that's for a cool combi. Excuse me. That's better. Yeah. So I got these from, like I say, Redline Diecasts. I'll stick a link to the website in the description. I'll also stick Instagram links for both Milo Customs and Redline Diecast in the description below. But basically, I normally get custom made sheets done for me by Tom at Walton Style, but then I also other decals that strike my fancy I pick up as I go as well. So I get some Green Stuff Weld. Where else do I get them from? Well, I use 40,000 decals, stuff like that. So all decals. I've got a whole box full of decals. I like to have as much scope as possible. So some of these are for specific coloured cars, or specific types of cars, like the Big Deal, which I do a black Big Deal copy. The Big Air Bel Air one is designed for a 55 gasser. I've got the Moon Equipment one, Gas Hole, which is like a Lamley Group special edition. It's like a pale green. The Fink gasser is a red car. I'm going to do that on. So I've already got plans on these. Black Cool Combi, Army Green 55 gasser. I'm not sure about the Claysmith cams yet, I haven't decided. And the treadwear, I'll do a treadwear style colour scheme. But the one we're going to concentrate on today is the Fink gasser one, because I've already, through the magic of television, got a car sprayed up, ready to go, ready for me to put those decals on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the decals on, have a quick look at them. They seem very, very high quality. Good thing is as well is that that's one whole side, that's another whole side, and that's the rear quarter. Yeah, so they should go on fairly easy, but we'll see. Right folks, super happy with these. Do some details, shoot some clear on it, and then I'll come back to you. But yeah, made up these. Up there, they rank up there with some of the better decals out there, that's for sure. Alright then folks, here we go. All done. I've matte clear coated this rather than a gloss clear, purely because I can't find the nozzle bit for my rattle can of gloss clear. That's a rather annoyance. Awesome decals, quality is really good, no colour bleed or anything like that. They came off the backing paper nice. A couple of bits where you can see the edge of the decals, and that's purely down to me, not the quality of the decals. I'm by no means an expert in fitting decals onto stuff. I've done it a fair few times, but yeah, I use a little bit of decal softener, as you saw in the time lapse, just to get it to conform a little bit better. It's not a need though. It's not a necessity, should I say. Would I use Redline Diecast again? Yeah, certainly 100%. And the decals are spot on, so I'd use those Milo Customs decals. Like I said before, in the description below, I'll stick Instagram links for both of those, and I'll stick the Redline Diecasts website link as well, so you can have a look yourselves. Spot on products again. Love it. Stay safe everyone, and I'll catch everyone next time.